抹茶サムライズ登場ジョジョジョジョ。Hello everyone, I'm Matcha Samurai from Japanese Dojo. こんにちは、抹茶サムライです。Welcome to my dojo. 私の道場へようこそ。Today, I'm going to introduce particle 2 and particle え。I haven't had a grammar lesson videos for a while, but actually, I have some grammar videos in the playlist on this channel. Please check it if you're interested. I'll make at least one Japanese lesson video every week. Please subscribe to my channel and then you won't miss them. Today's content: 1. Basic rule. 2. When you can't replace particle 2 into particle え. 3. When you can replace particle 2 into particle え. 4. When you don't use particle 2. 5. Today's quiz. Yes, there's a quiz time at the end of the video today. Basic rule. 基本のルール。Let me explain about basic rule about particle 2. It's almost same meaning as English to, on, at, in, or onto. Yes, a lot of meanings. But let me show you some examples. 1. It specifies the target of the action. 公園に行きます。I'll go to the park. 2. It specifies the location of existence. 靴はここに置いてください。Please put your shoes here. So actually the phrase kind of like using the particle 2 is kind of like onto here. So like you can say like, I know it's not natural if I added it, but it sounds like please put your shoes onto here by using particle 2. 3. Specifies the time of the event. 午後4時に着きました。I arrived at 4 p.m. And basic rule of particle え. The meaning in English can be to or toward. The hiragana へ turns into え when it's a particle. It specifies the direction of the action. 日本へ行きました。I went to Japan. You can replace particle 2 into え when it is used to indicate destination or direction. When you can't replace particle 2 into え. Let's check some examples. 高校の部活に入ります。koukouの部活に入ります。I'll join a club activity in high school. I'll be in a club activity. Oh, I think it doesn't seem natural as a sentence, but I added the second English sentence for showing the grammar structure compared to the Japanese sentence. And you cannot say 高校の部活へ入ります You can't use the particle e in this situation because the school activity isn't a location nor destination. Another example where you can't replace particle に into particle へ。電車に乗ります。電車に乗ります。I take a train. I'll get in a train. That's why you add particle に get in a train. And then you can't say 電車へ乗ります。You can't use a particle へ when you are talking about riding a vehicle or riding vehicles. Where you can replace particle に into へ. Let me show some examples when you can replace particle に into へ. 図書館に行きました。図書館に行きました。I went to library. And also you can switch into particle へ。図書館へ行きました。図書館へ行きました。I went to the library. These are almost looking like identical, but the particles are different from each of them, and the meanings are the same. Another example. 京都に行きます。京都に行きます。I'll go to Kyoto. 京都へ行きます。京都へ行きます。I'll go to Kyoto. Just switch the particle a and e, actually e into a, and the meaning is the same. When you don't use particle に you use particle に for specifies the target of the action, but you do not use it with these words. There are three types. Type 1. 昨日、昨日、yesterday、今日、today、明日、tomorrow、etc. Type 2. 毎日、every day、毎朝、every morning、毎晩、every night、every evening、毎週、every week、毎月、every month、毎年、every year、毎回、every time。 Type 3. いつ when. I'm going to explain more details with example sentences. Type 1. With time expressions defined relative to the present moment. 昨日、愛子さんに会いました。昨日、愛子さんに会いました。I met Aiko yesterday. 明日また来ます。明日また来ます。 I'll come again tomorrow. Type 2. These expressions describe regular intervals. 毎晩本を読みます。毎晩本を読みます。I read books every night. 毎週動画を更新します。毎週動画を更新します。I upload video every week. Type 3. With the word with it. And it means when. いつ出発しますか？いつ出発しますか？ Where will we leave? いつ行きましたか？いつ行きましたか？ When will you go? Today's quiz. 今日のクイズ。Pick the most appropriate item in the parentheses. ティッティッキッティッキッティッキッティッキッ。答え Answer 1. 大阪に行きます。 2. 新幹線で行きます。 Okay, let's review again. So first one 大阪に行きます means I'll go to Osaka.And the second one, 新幹線で行きます means I'll go by freight train or I'll go by 新幹線 Yes. Did you get it? わかりましたか？今日はここまで。この動画を見てくださってありがとうございます。Thank you for watching this video. 今日はにとえの使い方を学びました。Today, we learned the usage of particle に and particle え。いいねボタンやコメントもどうもありがとうございます。Also, thanks so much for the like buttons and comments. It really makes my day to see that my video has been your help. また次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you again in the next video. Bye!